Okay, good day mga kolokoy. So, our topic for today is how to use while loop in C++ programming. So, let's create a program. Let's code it. Include iostream. Save. While loop. .cp. Using space std endpoint return 0. Okay, let's start the code. So, for example, we'll use int number, int dog, or any variable. For example, to be specific, example, int x is equals to 0. So, while loop is while. So, your condition, for example, x is less than or equal to 5, curly brace, then cout, cout x is x and L. Okay, let's try to run this program. So build. Okay, there are no errors. So okay, so as you see, wait, so run. So as you see, the number x is equals to 0 printed many times. It is because your loop did not terminate, or your loop is not changing value. So therefore, let's correct this. So the explanation of that is your x has a value of 0. Then it went to the while loop. So 0 is less than or equal to 5. So true or false. So the value is true because 0 is less than 5. So therefore, it prints this x is equals to 0 unlimited times. So that is called an infinite loop. So that happens because the value of the loop is not changing. So infinite loop. So therefore, you must create an increment. X is equals to x plus 1. Okay, so let's try. Build. Run. Okay. So as you can see, x is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the last number is number 6. But as the loop checks, so first loop, so this is the explanation. So in the first iteration, the value is 0. So the first iteration, it went to the loop, the value is 0. So it prints 0. But then x is 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. So therefore, in the second iteration, the value of x now is 1. And then it went to this cout. Then 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Therefore, the value of this x again is 2. That's why until it reaches to 6. So 6 is less than or equal to 5, which is false. So therefore, your loop will terminate. Okay. So if you like this video, please click like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.